Samantala, pinangunahan ni Pangulong Aquino ang sambayanang Pilipino sa pagsalubong sa bagong Santo Papa. Sinabi ng Pangulo na umaasa siyang ang bagong lider ng Simbahang Katoliko ay magsisilbing tinig ng kapayapaan, katarungan at kawanggawa. Si Elena Luna sa detalye.
Nakiisa si Pangulong Aquino sa mainit na pagtanggap sa bagong hirang na Santo Papa. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, kaisa rin ang palasyo sa pagdarasal para kay Pope Francis.
The President, along with the Filipino people, joins all the Catholic faithful as they receive their new leader and meet his proclamation with a sense of boundless promise. As the first Pope from outside Europe in a millennium, the first Pope from the Society of Jesus, and the first from Latin America, the election of Pope Francis brings with it the promise of renewal in the Catholic Church. It strives to fulfill its mission here on earth. We hope and pray that this will inaugurate a pontificate that will bear witness not only to the basic tenets of the gospel, but will also serve as a voice for peace, justice, and charity in a world threatened by tension and armed conflict, poverty, uncertainty, and loss of confidence in institutions.
Ipinahayag din ng palasyo ang kahandaan ng Administrasyong Aquino na makipagtulungan sa bagong liderato ng Simbahang Katoliko. Kaisa rin aniya sila sa pagdarasal na maayos na pangunahan ni Pope Francis ang bagong kabanata ng simbahan.
This is not merely a time for all Catholics to come together. This is a call for unity across nations, across ethnicities, to work with the new Catholic leadership towards shaping a world in which each and every human being is allowed to live a life of peace, joy, and dignity. Our administration is eager to work with the new Catholic leadership to achieve that end. Again, congratulations to Pope Francis. May God continue to grant you strength and wisdom as you lead the Catholic Church into its next chapter.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.